Today, an indulgent butter fried egg on toast. So let's do it. This is one of my all-time favourite breakfasts. I used to have it every day when I was at school. It's indulgent and delicious. So the first step, you want to turn on your grill, take your bread of choice and cut off some nice slices. As thick as you like, this is up to you. And then you want to pop your bread under the grill. Soon as it's in, pop a frying pan on the hob, and the secret, turn the heat down low. And to the pan, you want to add a really nice generous knob of butter, and be generous, this does make all the difference, but we're going for indulgence and maximum flavour. Next, our eggs, make sure they're room temperature, fresh, free range eggs. If they've been in the fridge, get them out a couple of hours before you use them, and you want to gently crack the eggs into the pan using a flat surface, not the side of the pan. We don't want any bits of shell. Once the eggs are in, keep the heat down low, gently bring the heat into them, give the pan a little shake every few moments until they start to come loose, and you want to baste the whites of the eggs in the foaming butter. We want the whites to be perfectly cooked, but we want the yolks to be beautiful and runny. At this point, you want to quickly turn your bread to toast the other side. Keep basting those whites, but don't baste the yolks. And as soon as the whites are set and the yolks are still beautiful and runny, we want to get the toast out from under the grill, pop it onto a plate, and then lay over your perfectly cooked butter fried eggs. Finish with a nice pinch of some sea salt and a few twists of some freshly ground black pepper, and these really are the most indulgent and delicious fried eggs. So get stuck in, give them a try, and I'll see you next time.